Meaning of inkwell.
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 Inkwell. An inkwell is a small container that holds ink, typically used for writing with a pen or a quill. Inkwells were commonly used in the past before the invention of ballpoint pens and other modern writing instruments. They come in various shapes, sizes, and materials such as glass, porcelain, metal, and leather. Some inkwells have a lid to protect the ink from dust and air and prevent it from drying out. Inkwells are now mostly considered a decorative item from a bygone era, but they still hold historical and sentimental value for collectors and enthusiasts alike.